What's up, Rick? I'm here with Rick from Rick's Truck Shop in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. At this beautiful 666 C10 pickup. Tell us a little bit about the truck and what you guys have done to it.
The truck was built by Randy Jackson in Bristow, a good friend of ours. We were tasked with doing the installation of the audio. Basically got with you guys to help develop the kick panels for the Morel Virtus Nanos. We did basically a pretty simple Bluetooth in, JL audio on the amplification, JL audio on the subs, and the TPD HiFi Kick Panels with the Morel mids and highs. Amazing sound, amazing quality, just super forgiving in every aspect. Just overall a great product.
So let me ask you this: is this customer? Did he have experience with car audio?
He is not, very little, nothing more than just basic upgrades. This was kind of put in our hands to do a very ergonomic installation, something that looks really good, that fit the profile of the truck. Pretty stealthy, very clean, very detailed. But now, you know, he's in the point he's got to hear something of a lot higher quality in the audio, and is very happy with that, and looks forward to doing more of that with other vehicles.
So he kind of went for like aesthetics and fit, and now he's a car audio fan, would you say?
Yeah, and that's a lot of the things with the trucks of this build. People are more based on the aesthetics of looking for something that fits the profile of a custom vehicle, and then you bring them into the world of audiophile, of something that sounds good, and then it's a whole new world.
Cool.
I had no idea. I had no idea.
Yeah, then a lot of times they're hooked after that.
Yes, no, it's an addiction without a doubt. It's one of those that it's always form over function is the initial deal with a custom vehicle for 99% of the guys. Most people don't know what they don't know. They haven't experienced the good audio to say, hey, you know, this is what I really want. And then when they hear it, they're like, oh, I didn't even know this was an option in a custom older vehicle. That, I mean, these things they're metal boxes. They're not meant to, you know, have a great sound. There's no absorption rate to things like you have in modern vehicles. So the mids and highs is our experience with Virtus Nanos is they're so forgiving in so many ways, even in an environment that doesn't yield typically a good installation.
Right.
But yeah, they're amazing. You know, we've done quite a few different installs using a lot of the similar equipment, changing with the aesthetics of the vehicle, what we can fit and do. You know, once we got done with this 66, we've jumped into this 49, which is quite a bigger jump in audio, the amount of equipment and such in it. And it's the same thing. We've got a customer he's been a little more involved in audio, but not to this level. And he's blown away. At this point, you know, this customer's got multiple vehicles, and now he's ready to start revamping every one
nice.
to the new products.
Cool. Well, this is a beautiful truck, and all the work you did on the interior looks incredible and made our kick panels look even better. So we appreciate using our product, and that you're enjoying it and the customer's enjoying it.
Yes.
So thanks a lot.
Yep.
Appreciate your time.
Yep. Thank you.